Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the forge. Today is another beautiful day, and we're going to be working on our Leaf Spring clip point knife, and we're going to do it very carefully, hopefully. Let's go. I'd tell you a little bit about my anvil. So, this is a 128-pound hay-button anvil, nearly 100 years old. This is actually my grandfather's anvil. He actually gave it to me so I could use it for my blacksmithing. So, this is a really, really nice anvil, and I am extremely happy to have it. So now let's get to the forging. If you haven't already noticed, I don't use tongs a whole lot, so I'm having a little bit of difficulty trying to put the tip into it, trying to put the clip point shaped tip into the steel while holding it with tongs. The steel just wants to twist in the tongs, it's making it super difficult, and I'm also very worried that I won't hit myself in the face again, so I might just grind that tip in. I'll try one more heat on putting it in, and if that doesn't work, I'm going to use the angle grinder or the belt sander. I'm just going to grind the tip in. So, let's go.
and sit down.
Okay guys, so we've got this pretty good force right now. Gotta force the handle down a little bit, and I'm gonna do something I've wanted to do for a little while now. I'm gonna make an integral guard. Because this is gonna be paracord wrapped, I don't want there to be any chance of the hand, if you think, slipping up the knife and cutting himself on the knife. So we're gonna put an integral guard on it. Might not work, but it might. So stay tuned. Let's go. Hey guys, that was part 2 of forging a leaf spring knife. I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, make sure you comment down below, like this video, and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss part 3. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.